The role of Riya Chakravarti's brother in the drug ring case only gets murkier. It's right now under sharp focus. Another suspected drug dealer who allegedly supplied narcotics to Riya Chakravarti's brother Shouvik has been apprehended by the narco team. In fact, the two drug peddlers there, arrested by the NCB on Tuesday, were produced before court today. Zaid and Basit, who had links with Shouvik. Shouvik had shared Zaid's number to Sushant's staffer, who bought 5 mg of drugs for 10,000 rupees in March this year. The narco team is seeking a 10-day custody of the duo. Details of the third suspect there is yet to be out. Last month, deleted chats of Riya Chakravarti surfaced where she was discussing availability of drugs with Sushant's staff members. The Narco Bureau is currently investigating the case here. Munish Pandey joining us for more details on that. Munish, two of the drug peddlers, Basit and Zaid, they were arrested and then released on bail. They've now appeared before court. Can you tell us their role in this entire link, the drug link that they've found of Sushant Singh Rajput's death? Shouvik, Riya's brother, is now mired in this entire drug link here, where he's seen speaking to multiple people trying to procure drugs. Any talk on who these drugs that Shouvik was procuring was really for? Was it for himself or someone else? I'm going to try and patch Munish back again. Here we're looking at the narco team there seeking a 10-day custody of the duo of Zaid and Basit, the two drug peddlers. They're going to thoroughly probe into why, who and what kind of drugs they were really supplying to Shouvik. Shouvik is Riya's brother, and Shouvik's links with Zaid has been established. We understand that Basit is Shouvik's friend, and Basit gave Shouvik Zaid's number, and that's where they sort of managed to procure drugs. And Shouvik used Samuel Miranda, as per allegations here, and of course inside sources tell us that Shouvik gave Samuel Miranda, who is Sushant Singh Rajput's manager, house manager, Zaid's number. Zaid is a drug peddler here. So therefore Samuel then paid 10,000 rupees for 10 grams of drugs to Zaid. Now what was this 10 grams? What is it that they're referring to? What kind of drug is it? And all that, of course, will be probed by the probe agency here. Back to Munish Pandey. Munish, can you hear us now? Munish, if you can hear us.
Yes, Nabila, to answer your question, what we have been given to... Yes, Nabila. Yeah, so Nabila, what we have been given to understand by our sources in the Narcotics Control Bureau is that during the questioning of Zaid, they have come across many facts which is connected to Shouvik Chakravarti. Now Zaid along with Basit, their custodial interrogation was done by the Narcotics Control Bureau because they were arrested by the NCB, and during the questioning they have come across many facts which can link Shouvik Chakravarti directly dealing with these drug peddlers, alleged drug peddlers. Now NCB claims that they have sufficient evidence to take their custody, and that is why they will be seeking his custody for 10 days. Apart from the WhatsApp chat, they have also a statement from Zaid and Basit in connection with this case. Now why this connection is important? Because once they are connected to Shouvik Chakravarti, then Shouvik Chakravarti can be arrested. Even if he had consumed the drugs, it was not for any business purpose, then also the NCB is in position to arrest Shouvik Chakravarti. Apart from that, if Shouvik Chakravarti is connected, then there is a high possibility that NCB can connect the dots to Riya Chakravarti, and then she can be summoned and questioned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. But also to give an update that a third drug peddler in this case, Kaizan Ibrahim, that person has been detained by the Narcotics Control Bureau as we speak. His questioning is going on, and there is a high possibility that in some time the third drug peddler will also be arrested in this case. What NCB claims that all these three people are connected to Shouvik Chakravarti, and they have the WhatsApp chat records to prove that Shouvik Chakravarti was talking about drugs.
Harish, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.